parenthesis emotional.
I'll be honest. I won't be able to go back with you. Oh.
What?
What did you say? I like the old time that I followed you around the underground. I could have been like that, but and it's not too safe as you are the one you want to listen to.
What?
But it's gonna happen with you. Nobody will.
Wait!
Oh. He replace. Oh. Oh, Frisk. Oh. He'll disappear.
I don't want to.
He's doing me forgiving you. Oh. Oh. Oh, Frisk. Save changes, yes. I could even give the happy ending, I promise. Oh, Frisk. Please, Chara. Keep the promise for me. Oh.
Ce să-l ascultăm? Ia prosoape pe aici, mai vezi pe cea pe jos? Ce faci, mă, ca aia la mine aici? Registrează! Bine tactul ăștia la poceală. Hai să registrez! Altceva?
I won't be able to go. What? What?
What?
Yeah, what? Exactly! But you said it'd be like in the old timelines, just how I followed you around the underground. It could have been like that, but... You're glitched. So that means she can't come back, or he can't come back. If I enter the timeline again, I'll eventually corral. Oh. 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 Oh, no way. No way. No way. No. No. Nah, she's not gonna do that to Frisk. Nah. Oh, no. No way. No. No way. No way! No way! Oh my god! They just killed Frisk off! Are you actually kidding me though? Oh, Frisk is dead? No way! Oh no! Gone! Gone! Oh no!
I don't want to forget you.
Dang, son! Everything! Everything! Gone! Gone! Replacing herself, erasing Mary. Oh no! Save change! Don't hit yes! You hit yes! I couldn't even give them a happy ending, I promised. Wow! Wow! Please, Chara. I'm so happy I'm reading that name right. Keep the promise I made for me. What are you finna do? What are you finna do? Can you at least exist here? Oh, no, I forgot. You just replaced yourself and you're dead. Wow. Keep my promise. Oh, that was the promise! That was the title! Wow! And then there's the credits. Am I gonna miss any post-credit stuff? Because everyone always gets after me every time I miss post-credit stuff.
I knew it. Frisk.
What?
Oh, my camera's about to die. Don't do this to me, bruh. Glitchtale. Camera, don't die on me. We got 4 more minutes. My camera can't do that. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Frisk to Chara transformation replace button. Wow. 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 My heart. My tears. My tears. They're here. They're here. My tears. I can't see. Is it blurring? Oh, bruh. Son. Son. Bruh. Come on, bro. Come on. Cammy. Cammy. I'ma kill you, Cammy. I'ma make sure I replace you with the animator who won't hurt my feelings. It be like that sometimes though, don't it? Keep my promise. Bruh. While the credits are playing, I'm
What?
He's gonna stay here? Huh. Replace.
Frisk, wait!
Fuck off. Oh god.
I don't want to forget you.
No! I promise. That's the end of the episode.
Parenthesis emotional.